So we have the Oxford 6 rower here from Horizon. Got everything unboxed. So you have your head unit, the beam, seat, back support, foot support, some hardware, some pieces, couple tools that come with it. 2 5mm Allen, 1 6mm, your paperwork, your front roller. First we're going to attach our front stabilizer bar. Use the Step 1 hardware. You're going to have 8 shorter bolts and 4 longer ones. You want the longer ones for that. Get that hand tight socket set. It's a lot easier. And them can all be tightened, all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we're going to take the roller bar, flip it upside down, attach these pieces first. So the back stabilizer piece is going to go towards the back. You have your centering pins there that goes in the middle, lines right up, 4 bolts in that. You have your foot pedals, so they're gonna set like that, so upside down. Straddle it, drops on the centering bolts, and they all line up, and just get them hand tight and then tighten with the 6mm Allen. When you're done, it should look like that. You got this little piece of foam that came in your packing material. Set that like so. Sits right on there at the proper height. Now bring these together. Set it on that lip. And you have a little wire in here that connects. The other end is sticking right in here. Bring that up there just to plug it in. Plug them together first. Tuck that back inside and then bring together, making sure you don't pinch that wire. Line those up close. Then drop in these. Should be able to just wiggle a little bit and they should start threading right away. So once you get all of these 4 started, hand tight, go ahead, tighten these 4, then tighten the 2 back ones, then double check these, make sure everything is tight equally. Once those are tight, take this little trim piece, stick that at the top. That snaps in there, little shroud cover. Then we have our seat. We slide on from the back. Then we have our rear plug. It's gonna slide right in. So you want these tabs on the inside of there. Fits nice and snug. Then you want your step 3 kit. And how that's gonna work is you have this bushing in the middle. You're gonna press that into the hole in the middle. And then on both sides, you're gonna have these rubber bumpers. And you're gonna wanna put them flat to the front. And then it's gonna be recessed on one side, flat on the other. So you want the flat side both facing in, recessed sides both facing out. So it'll be like this on both sides of this channel. And then these little 5mm Allens are going to screw in to that center hub from both sides. That's why they give you 2 5mm Allens, because you'll have to tighten them at the same time or have them both in there so it doesn't just turn endlessly. Tighten both those sides up. We got both of them bumpers in. Right there. And what that is for your seat. So just absorbs that impact. This, get that set where it belongs. Plug in our power supply, and that plugs in right in the front, down in the bottom there. And she lights up. You'll hear a little humming inside. That's just the motor setting the resistance. So select user, just push play, give you a countdown, all your info, and your resistance here. Turn it up, work out pause because we're not moving. So let's grab the strap. She's working. Turn our resistance back down. Stop rowing, it'll go to pause. And there it is, ready to go. Now you'll have the same assembly procedure for the Oxford 6 and the Oxford 3. The only difference is this one has no backlit. Your resistance is manual, and so you won't have the little connection inside the tower like you do with the 6, because this has a sensor to pick up your back and forth motion. The 3 does not. So there they are side by side. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.